All right, so it's a new week, and today I took a loss. I took a 3K loss on my funded account, and I'm going to show you what happened and what you can learn from this. So let's get on to the chart.
So this is the trade I took, EUR CAD. So to make this make more sense, let's go to a new chart here. So this is the idea for EUR CAD. And basically, we have an uptrend, just that at this current market point here, the market was ranging, right? We didn't take the low, we took out the high, and this high was not broken. It's like intermediate. So ideally, this is not a very good ranging setup for you to be targeting. But what I was seeing here in this, this was around this point here. So what I was kind of going by with this market is the market is uptrending and we have a low created here, and this high took out this high. New low was not created. So what I was looking at was the market continuing pushing to take out this high here. It was just a short scalp that I was looking at here. I was looking at the continuation of this move from here to make a new high here around this level here. So this is an extension onto this level here. So this is what I did. I went into the market here. So this is on a 100K account, right? And my target for this trade was to risk 3% of my accounts, 3% to make 8%. That was the goal for this trade, to risk 3% of my account to make 8%. So what I did was, when the market closed above here, that was a New York session, I was looking at the market coming back for a retest here, a retest of this candle here, and a continuous push to the upside, because we already have, from what I was seeing, we have a break. And if this level holds, this is potential push to the upside. So after the market closed, we had a push up like that. So it didn't happen like straight like that, right? We came to test somewhere here. So at the test of this level, that's when I went into the market. But I had my stop right around this point here, and looking at the potential push to the upside, because price came for the retest of the EMA. And I'll show you multiple setup with the same idea, where the market retest and pump up again. So there is nothing wrong with this setup here. The only thing here is that this is not an uptrending market, which was supposed to be rectified, and it's on a Monday. So those are the two things that were wrong with this trade. Normally, you don't want to trade in this kind of setups on a Monday, and you need a very clear uptrend to take this trade, right? Which it was not. So it's not just an uptrend, just a clear uptrend or a downtrend. Something that I'm also just noticing here is a liquidity block that is sitting here. Initially, I didn't see that. I was just going off with the retest here and a retest of this level here, right? So what I did here was gone. I think I went into here during the retest, because I replayed the candle. It came right to where it is almost closing. So it's around here. So I was looking out for a rejection of this level here. This would have been a very perfect trade, because if this candle had rejected and closed above here, which was perhaps the second confirmation I should have looked for when this candle started coming here, waiting for that second candle to close here, would have been super perfect, right? So I was looking at 1:2.3 risk reward ratio, just to, because I was risking 3%, 2% is 6%, and I was just looking at around this level here to take TP. So this would have been good, like one trade, boom, 8%, right? So that was the idea. And it was kind of very quick, very, very quick one. We had the candle closing bearish. And after the candle closed bearish, another thing that was tricky here was when the candle closed bearish, you see we were still sitting on the EMA here. So the idea was that, okay, the market might just bounce off the EMA and it's sitting on support here to the upside. But it was tricky, because we had then created an engulfing candle here, which made it way more trickier. So yeah, so this was a very interesting Monday. There is nothing wrong with this setup. Again, like the whole idea, concept of price coming back to retest is okay. And it's a similar thing. Like, I'll take the same trade over and over again. I just saw a similar setup on GBP right? So the whole idea, similar idea here. Price is testing my EMA. We are still uptrending. The only thing that is different from Euro CAD trade is that this is a clear uptrend, right? We are still uptrending. But here, what you would want to do is to wait for a break, a retest, a pullback, and then you buy this to the high. So this is quite different. So in terms of the overall idea of the market, there was nothing wrong. But the main things that were wrong is maybe it was way too much risks for a Monday, and I should have waited for the extra confirmation. And the third thing was the way the market structure was. And here now is looking bearish now because we didn't take out this high here. We have a new high, and this looks like what a head and shoulders pattern. So what we would want to see is price at least take out this trend line here, and then we can look to sell this market to the downside. So guys, this is what happened today. And I don't know how what you are going to learn from this, but I hope you took a tip from this and you don't make the same mistake. So yeah, see you in the next video.